AI-generated Instagram influencers are taking over, building brands, growing audiences, and making reels that go viral, all without a real person behind them. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI influencer in the business niche, make high-performing reels, and tap into this trend, without ever showing your face. We're not just generating an AI character, we're creating a full-fledged Instagram influencer that posts, engages, and goes viral with reels. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to define your influencer's persona and branding, generate high-quality visuals in Leonardo.AI, create engaging reel scripts with ChatGPT, make your influencer talk, post and optimize reels for maximum virality. And here's what makes this even better: you don't need any prior experience. Everything can be done in just a few clicks. And if you stay till the end, I'll also share a secret monetization strategy that will help you turn your AI influencer into a profitable brand. Alright, let's start by creating our AI influencer. First, we need to define who they are, because a random AI-generated face won't cut it. The goal is to make an influencer that looks consistent, credible, and engaging across all reels. To do this, head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt: I want to make an AI Instagram influencer for entrepreneurship or business niche. Please help me make it. ChatGPT will now generate a full breakdown of your influencer's persona, including their identity, audience, and content style. Here's what it gave us: name suggestions, the influencer's personality traits, content themes, and even how they should engage with their audience. The more specific you get here, the better your influencer will turn out. Now, let's pick a name. I asked ChatGPT, please suggest me 10 names. Don't use the word AI in names, since I prefer names that feel authentic and personal. And the second one caught my eye: Hustle Mentor. That sounds like something that would actually work on Instagram, so let's go with it. Now that we've defined our AI influencer, it's time to bring them to life with visuals. To make sure our character looks consistent across all reels, we need to generate multiple shots in different settings while keeping the same face, style, and vibe. So, we head back to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Now we have to make him in Leonardo.AI. I just need 2 to 4 shots of him in different settings but with a consistent character. He'll directly speak in front of the camera, not looking like a typical corporate-style businessman. ChatGPT instantly gives us 4 different scenes along with a base prompt to ensure all images match in terms of lighting, pose, and character consistency. Now, we take it one step further. We ask ChatGPT, please write a Leonardo.AI prompt for each scene, considering consistent character in each scene. This ensures every image we generate follows the same core identity, while placing our influencer in different engaging settings. With our prompts ready, let's jump into Leonardo.AI and start generating the visuals. Now, let's bring our AI influencer to life in Leonardo.AI. First, we head over to Leonardo.AI and click on Launch App. Once inside, we go to Image Creation and switch to Classic Mode. Now, to get the most cinematic and professional look for our AI influencer, we need to adjust a few key settings. On the left panel, we click on Model and select Cinematic Keynote. This will ensure our influencer looks sharp, realistic, and visually engaging. Next, we set the image dimensions to 9:16 since Instagram Reels are vertical format. This way, we won't have to crop or adjust later. Now, it's time to start generating. We go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt for Scene 1, and paste it into Leonardo.AI. This will generate our first image. Once it's done, we repeat the process for the remaining 3 scenes, making sure each image maintains the same character consistency. After a few minutes, we now have 4 different high-quality images of our AI influencer, each one in a different scene, but still looking like the same person. That's exactly what we need. Now, let's download one image from each scene. Now that we have our influencers' visuals, it's time to make them talk. Let's move on to the next step. First, we need a script for our AI influencer. You can either write your own, which I highly recommend for originality, or let ChatGPT handle it for you. To generate a script, we go back to ChatGPT and type, "Please write a narrational script for a 30 seconds engaging reel for this influencer." Write only the script without any scene or other detail. ChatGPT now gives us a short and punchy script, which is perfect for Instagram Reels. The script follows a simple but powerful structure, a strong hook and valuable insights. With our script ready, we now need to bring the AI influencer to life in Canva. This is where the magic happens. So, we open Canva, create a new project in Instagram Reel format, and go to the Apps panel on the left. From here, we search for Vidnoz and open it. Once inside Vidnoz, we upload the first AI-generated image of our influencer and paste the script we just got from ChatGPT. Now, to make it sound realistic, we select a voice that fits our influencer's personality. There are multiple voices to choose from, so pick one that sounds natural, confident, and engaging. Finally, we hit generate. And within a few seconds, our AI influencer is now talking. Let's play it once.
You're not broke because you don't work hard. You're broke because you're working hard on the wrong things. The rich don't trade time for money, they build systems that make money for them. You have two choices: keep grinding in a cycle that keeps you stuck, or start leveraging skills, automation, and smart investments. The question is, are you ready to shift your mindset and take control? Because the moment you do, everything changes.
The lip sync, the expressions, everything looks clean. If something feels off, you can tweak the voice selection or script slightly, but overall, the result looks solid. Now, we have a fully animated AI influencer speaking on screen, but we're not done yet. To make sure it grabs attention and keeps viewers watching, we need to add subtitles. Let's move on to that next. Now that our AI influencer is talking, we need to make sure people actually watch and engage with the reel. And the best way to do that? Captions. Most people scroll through Instagram without sound, so if your reel doesn't have captions, they might just skip past it. Adding captions also makes the content more engaging and easier to follow. To add captions, we stay in Canva, go to the Apps panel, and search for Captions. Click on the first option and hit Generate Captions. Canva will now automatically generate subtitles for our video based on the script. Once the captions are generated, we can customize them, change the font, size, color, and position to match our influencer's brand. If you want to make it even more eye-catching, you can add animated captions using third-party apps like CapCut or Captions app on your phone. Now, our AI influencer not only speaks but also has highly engaging captions to keep viewers watching till the end. At this point, we have a complete AI-generated Instagram reel, but we're not stopping here. To make sure it actually goes viral, we need to follow a posting strategy that works with the Instagram algorithm. Let's move on to that next. Now, we've got a fully animated AI influencer, a perfectly synced voiceover, and captions that keep viewers engaged. But none of that matters if nobody sees your reels. So, let's talk about how to post your AI influencer reel strategically for maximum reach and engagement. Instagram's algorithm rewards consistency, so if you're serious about growing, aim to post at least 3 to 5 reels per week. More is always better, but even just 3 high-quality reels a week can put you ahead of 90% of people. When you post, timing matters. Based on recent data, the best times to post on Instagram are Monday to Friday, 6 to 9 a.m., catch people before work, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., lunch break, and 6 to 9 p.m., after work. Weekends, mid-morning or evening when engagement is highest. Next, let's talk about captions and hashtags, because these are what actually get your reels discovered. For the caption, keep it short, engaging, and curiosity-driven. Something like, "Struggling to stay productive? Here's what top entrepreneurs do to stay ahead." Or, "This one mindset shift can change your entire approach to business." Watch till the end. Now for hashtags, use a mix of high-traffic and niche-specific ones. Here's a good formula. 2 to 3 broad hashtags, hashtag entrepreneur, hashtag AI, hashtag success. 3 to 5 niche hashtags, hashtag AI influencer, hashtag hustle mindset, hashtag AI reels. 2 to 3 small, hyper-specific hashtags, hashtag business automation, hashtag AI content, hashtag growth tips. This helps Instagram understand your content and push it to the right audience. Now that you've got everything set up for maximum reach, let's talk about turning your AI influencer into an actual source of income. Because getting views is great, but making money is even better. Let's move to the monetization strategy. Now that we've got the content strategy locked in, let's talk about monetization, because getting millions of views is cool, but turning those views into cash is even better. There are several ways to make money from your AI influencer, but I'll focus on the 3 most effective and beginner-friendly methods that work even if you have a small audience. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. The easiest way to start making money is through affiliate marketing. This means promoting products in your niche and earning a commission for every sale. For example, if your AI influencer is in the business or entrepreneurship niche, you can promote books, online courses, or productivity tools. Simply sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Gumroad, or ClickBank and drop your links in the bio or captions. A great way to drive affiliate sales is by making reels that review or recommend these products. Think about it. Your AI influencer could talk about the top 3 business books every entrepreneur must read and link to those books in the bio. Second way to make money, and also my favorite, is selling digital products. Another highly profitable method is selling your own digital products. This could be an ebook, a Notion template, or even an AI-generated course. Here's how it works. Take your influencer's most viral topics and create a small digital product around them. Let's say one of your reels about productivity blows up. You can quickly put together an ebook called The AI Entrepreneur's Guide to Productivity and sell it for $9.99. To set this up, use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Shopify, add the product link in your Instagram bio, and mention it in your reels. The third way of monetization is via sponsored posts and brand deals. Once your AI influencer gains traction, brands will start reaching out for sponsorships. Companies are always looking for influencers to promote their products, and yes, AI influencers can get brand deals. For example, if you have an AI business coach influencer, companies selling productivity tools, online courses, or finance apps might pay you to feature their products in a reel. To land sponsorships, you don't need millions of followers. Even with 5K to 10K followers, brands are willing to pay for sponsored posts, especially if your audience is engaged. These are just a few ways to monetize your AI influencer, but here's the key: don't just rely on one method. Use affiliate marketing while also building your own product, and eventually, you'll start attracting brand deals. Now that we've covered everything, creating, posting, and monetizing AI influencer reels, let's wrap it up with a quick recap and the next steps to take right now. Alright, let's quickly recap everything we covered so you can take action immediately. We started by defining our AI influencer using ChatGPT, crafting their identity, persona, and content strategy. Then, we brought them to life visually using Leonardo.AI, making sure they looked consistent across all reels. Next, we used ChatGPT to generate engaging reel scripts, and then we made our AI influencer speak using Vidnoz AI inside Canva. After that, we added captions to maximize engagement and retention. Then, we covered Instagram's posting strategy, including how often to post, the best times, and how to write SEO-friendly captions and hashtags to boost reach. And finally, we broke down the 3 most effective monetization strategies: affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and sponsored posts, so that you can turn your AI influencer into a real income stream. Now, here's what you need to do next. Don't just watch this video and move on. Go take action right now. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and start crafting your AI influencer's persona. Step 2. Generate your influencer's visuals in Leonardo.AI. Step 3. Create your first AI reel using Canva and Vidnoz AI. And if you need all the prompts, links to the tools, and extra resources, I've put everything inside a free G-Doc. You can find the link in the description. Lastly, if you got value from this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, because I'll be dropping more AI business strategies just like this. Now go create your AI influencer, and I'll see you in the next one.